Nothing's more frustrating than a dead phone that refuses to power on, especially when you need it the most. But before you panic or run to a repair shop, there are a few quick fixes that can bring it back to life in minutes. Here's how to diagnose and fix a phone that won't turn on, step by step. Step 1. Check your charger and cable. It sounds basic, but it's the #1 cause of false alarms. Try a different cable and adapter, preferably an original one. Fake chargers deliver inconsistent voltage that can prevent charging. If that doesn't work, clean your charging port. Use a dry toothbrush or a soft pin to gently remove dust or lint. A blocked port can stop the phone from charging properly, making it appear dead. Next, try a force restart. For iPhones, press volume up, volume down, hold power until you see the Apple logo. For most Androids, hold power and volume down for 15 seconds. This can fix software freezes that mimic hardware failure. If it still doesn't respond, plug it in and leave it for at least 20 minutes. Some batteries drain so deeply that they need time to wake up before showing any sign of life. Next, check for water or physical damage. If the phone got wet or fell recently, the motherboard might be shorted. Don't try to dry it with heat. Bring it to a certified technician immediately. And here's an advanced tip. Test with a different battery if you can. Some older models have removable batteries. Swapping can help identify if the issue is battery or board related. If your phone shows a battery icon but doesn't boot, it may be a software crash. Connect it to a computer and use iTunes for iPhones or recovery mode for Android to restore the OS. 9 times out of 10, your dead phone just needs proper charging, cleaning, or a soft reset. Don't assume the worst. Try these steps first, and if it still doesn't come on, bring it to us at Bemi Gadgets. We'll diagnose it the right way.